Hi students, in today's video we are going to discuss about important topic of organic chemistry, that is hydrocarbon. Student, you know that the compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. It is known to us that students, carbon is tetravalent. It has tendency to form four covalent bond, and hydrogen is monovalent. Carbon when form four single bond, then it is termed as sp3 hybridized carbon. If carbon forms one double and two single bond, then it is termed as sp2 hybridized carbon. And when carbon forms one triple bond and one single bond, then the carbon is termed as sp hybridized. Students, hydrocarbons, now known to us, the compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. Examples are methane, ethane, then ethylene, acetylene. All these are the examples of hydrocarbon. Why? Because they contain only two elements, one is carbon and another is hydrogen. Benzene is also the example of hydrocarbon. It also contains carbon and hydrogen. So student, for simplicity of study, now we'll discuss about classification of hydrocarbon. Now, hydrocarbon on the basis of their carbon skeleton can be mainly divided into two types, that are open chain hydrocarbon and another is closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon contains the chain of carbon atom which is open at all the ends. So in general, we can classify the hydrocarbon into two main classes. One is open chain or acyclic, or aliphatic hydrocarbons, and another is cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbon. Closed chain, they are also known as carbocyclic because contain ring of carbon atoms only, or homocyclic means containing ring of all the similar atoms like carbon. So student, this one major class of hydrocarbon, that is aliphatic hydrocarbon, can be defined as the hydrocarbon in which chain of carbon is open at all the ends are termed as aliphatic hydrocarbon. So this type of carbon chain is there. This is one end, this is another end, both ends are open. Now cyclic hydrocarbon are those hydrocarbon in which at least two ends of the carbon chain joins together to form a ring are known as cyclic or closed chain or carbocyclic or homocyclic hydrocarbon. Now see, these are the two ends of the carbon chain. If we join these two ends, we get ring of four carbon atoms. So it becomes the carbocyclic or homocyclic or cyclic hydrocarbon. Now student, these open chain hydrocarbon are again divided into two classes that may be straight chain or branched chain into two main classes. One is saturated and another is unsaturated. Now student, saturated means valency of carbon. Carbon is tetravalent. When valency of carbon is satisfied by 4 single bond, then the compounds are termed as saturated. Means the hydrocarbon containing all the single bonds between carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen are termed as saturated hydrocarbons, and saturated hydrocarbons are also known as alkanes. So student, we here define alkanes. What are alkanes? Alkanes are aliphatic, aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons are known as alkanes असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. Now they have general molecular formula CnS2n plus 2, n is greater than or equal to 1, and examples are CH4 methane, C2H6 ethane, C3H8 propane are the examples of these alkanes. So alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. This is one class of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Another class of aliphatic hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Means aliphatic hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond are termed as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Students, now these unsaturated hydrocarbons are again divided into two classes. If they contain double bond, then the hydrocarbon are termed as alkenes. Ending spelling is AENE, alkene, ENE. So what are alkenes? Aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond are known as alkenes. They have general molecular formula CnS2n, and here n is greater than or equal to 2, and example is CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethylene or ethene. Now unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon triple bond are termed as alkynes. So what are alkynes? Alkynes are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon triple bond are known as alkynes, and they have general molecular formula CnS2n minus 2, and n is greater than or equal to 2, and example is HC triple bond CH, ethine, or it is also known as acetylene. Another example is CH3C triple bond CH, it is methyl acetylene or propane. So students, open chain hydrocarbons are mainly categorized as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated are known as alkanes, and unsaturated are known as unsaturated containing double bond are known as alkenes, and triple bond are known as alkynes. Now come here toward the cyclic hydrocarbon. Here in case of cyclic hydrocarbon, we can classify them into two different types. Means they contain ring of carbon atom. If the given hydrocarbon contain ring of carbon atom, and if they resembles with aliphatic hydrocarbon, then such cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with aliphatic hydrocarbon are termed as alicyclic hydrocarbons. So student, what are alicyclic hydrocarbon? The cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with aliphatic hydrocarbon are known as alicyclic hydrocarbon. And another class of these cyclic hydrocarbon is that the cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with benzene characteristic properties of benzene are termed as aromatic character or aromatic properties, and such hydrocarbon are termed as aromatic hydrocarbon. Means another class of cyclic hydrocarbon is aromatic. So we can classify cyclic hydrocarbon into two major classes. One is alicyclic and another is aromatic. Here alicyclic hydrocarbon are again divided into three classes. If the given cyclic hydrocarbon resembles with alkane, then it is termed as cycloalkane. What are cycloalkane? The cyclic saturated hydrocarbons are known as cycloalkanes. They have general molecular formula CnH2n and n is greater than or equal to 3. To obtain ring of carbon atom, at least 3 carbon must be there. So example will be CH2, 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 ring of 3 carbon atom. So this compound is known as it contains 3 carbon, it is prop. As it contains all the single bond, then ANE, propane. As it contains ring, so it becomes cyclopropane. Cyclopropane is an example of cycloalkane. Another class of these alicyclic hydrocarbon is the cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with alkene is termed as cycloalkene. It has general molecular formula CnH2n-2 and N has same condition, that is N is greater than or equal to 3. An example of cycloalkene is cyclopropene, means there is ring of 3 carbon atom and 1 carbon-carbon double bond. So this compound is known as cyclopropene, which is an example of cycloalkene. Another class of alicyclic hydrocarbon can be given as cycloalkyne. Means cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with alkyne is known as cycloalkyne. Its general molecular formula will be CnH2n-4 and N is greater than or equal to 3. Example of cycloalkyne is cyclopropene, means it contains carbon-carbon triple bond and ring of 3 carbons, so its name is cyclopropene. Cyclobutane can be written like this. Here triple bond, so this can be named as cyclobutane. This formula is known as bond line formula. At this corner only carbon is there, here CH2 is there, here is also CH2. So formula, molecular formula will be C4H8 minus 4 means C4H4. Here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, here no hydrogen, here no hydrogen. 4 carbon and 4 hydrogen, it becomes cyclobutane. So these are alicyclic hydrocarbon, which are number 1 cycloalkane, then number 2 cycloalkene, and third one is cycloalkyne. Here E and E is there. So alicyclic hydrocarbon are of 3 types. Which resembles with alkane are the cycloalkane, which resemble with alkene are the cycloalkene, and which resemble with alkyne are the cycloalkyne. Now student, what are aromatic hydrocarbon? तर आपण त्या ठिकाणी काय म्हणू शकतो, the cyclic hydrocarbon or carbocyclic or aromatic hydrocarbon which resembles with benzene, means whatever may be the characteristic property that benzene has same property for these compounds which are termed as aromatic compound. Means simply we can say that the carbocyclic compound which resembles with benzene are known as aromatic hydrocarbon, and example for them are benzene itself is the aromatic hydrocarbon. Then another one is naphthalene. Two benzene ring are fused, alternate single and double bonds are there. Another one is phenanthrene, anthracene are the examples of aromatic hydrocarbon, or methylbenzene is also the example of aromatic hydrocarbon. Here methyl group is substituent on this benzene ring. So all atoms present in this methylbenzene are only carbon and hydrogen, but it has characteristic properties of benzene. So we can say that this methylbenzene, also known as toluene, is an example of aromatic hydrocarbon. So student, in today's video we discussed about hydrocarbon and their different classes. In further videos we are going to discuss about each class in detail, like alkane, alkene, alkyne, cycloalkane, cycloalkene, aromatic hydrocarbon, in successive videos. So student, will stop here. Thank you.